Hospitals are forced to improvise as they deal with a shortage of critical protective gear for healthcare workers. KPIX5's Betty Yu on the plea for more supplies. Betty?
Ken, nurses across the Bay Area say facilities are rationing face masks during this pandemic, which they say is putting them and other patients at risk. The CDC says as a last resort, workers could consider using homemade masks, such as bandanas or scarves.
So I have heard that people are being asked to reuse the mask.
Michelle Gutierrez-Vo has been a nurse in the adult primary care department at Kaiser Permanente in Fremont for 20 years. She's in self-quarantine after being exposed to COVID-19. But upon her return,
they're giving nurses surgical masks and PPE. I don't know how much PPE they're putting in a brown bag in the beginning of the shift, and they are to make sure that that is intact for the rest of the shift. And that is not good care. That is not good infection control. That it is unacceptable.
The need for N95 masks like this one is great. The hashtag #GetMePPE or personal protective equipment is trending on social media. Healthcare workers pleading for more supplies to fight the coronavirus.
Do what you can where you are with what you have. And that's exactly what's happening here.
At a South Georgia hospital where 26 patients have the virus, the staff improvised. They cut surgical linen to sew a second washable mask to fit over the N95s, prolonging their life and shielding staff from viral patients.
And what we're doing is we're doing a donation drive every single day until the coronavirus is gone.
Here in San Francisco, the GNC in the marina is answering the call. The owner is accepting N95 masks and other supplies to drop off at local hospitals.
This is a big freaking deal. I mean, best case scenario, April 7th. Worst case scenario, unknown. Therefore, we have to really work together in order to get rid of this thing and fight.
Yeah, well, we have what we need at my home, so I think any extras that we don't really need at this time, I think is far more critical for the folks in our hospitals and taking care of those who are sick to have them first.
ITC Medical Supplies on Geary says in 25 years of being in business, it's never seen such a shortage.
It's sad to be able to see people struggling to find, what a few months ago was a simple thing such as a mask.
Regarding the lack of protection, Kaiser Permanente told our sister station that it is prudently managing resources to ensure equipment is available for its healthcare workforce for the duration of this pandemic. Nurses say more needs to be done. Ken and Liz?